We'll guide you through how to make any video into your ringtone on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's the video I want to do this with. To go and get started, we do need to get some apps. First of all, open up the App Store, press search in the bottom right, and you want to type in MP3 converter and download and get this one here. Next, we want to go and search for an app called GarageBand. Here we go, you can search for it and you can get it. Now, once you've got it, we need to go and start by opening up MP3 converter. At the bottom, press My Files and press the plus in the bottom right. Choose where the video is. For me, it's in photo, so I'll press album. Select the video and press add in the bottom right. It'll be added and you can then tap on it. Press convert. Select ringtone and then you'll get this pop up and you want to select GarageBand. GarageBand's going to open up. You'll see this file here and you want to long hold it like so and press share at the top. Then we can go and press ringtone and we can go and press continue and we can go and give it a name. We can then press use sound as and we can select standard ringtone. It'll now be used, but also if we open up our settings, go down to sounds and haptics and press ringtone, you can select it here as well.